Okay, it's Friday, September 27th. A little less than 2 hours to go in the session here. I just wanted to highlight a trade I'm monitoring to make. It would be buying calls on the SPY. You can see here it's made two pushes down on the day after I bought some puts up here at this little red line that I described earlier. The 5-minute chart pinballed into the 15-minute chart, reaching its target, which then pinballed into getting below the halfway point of the first bar. That took out the intraday lows. We continued lower, had orderly pause, a second push down. So we've made the two pushes down on the day, had a little bounce, and now if we can't really come down and make new lows and have a reversal in here, I am monitoring these 568 calls, and I will buy those to end the session and see if maybe, again, price can work up towards this little area here to take out some stops, and who knows, maybe we close, with a rally to the upside before the end of the day. But this is good price action, two pushes down. It's only an inside bar from yesterday. We still haven't really crossed the midpoint of the prior day, so that's all this might end up being as we consolidate a little bit. The last few days, we're losing a little momentum of the upside, but the weekly chart is still green. So we'll see how this weekly chart closes. If we get a big flush out at the downside, perhaps maybe we get a shooter looking bar that gives us a 2 down bar into next week. That's going to kind of be what we're monitoring in next week. Today, I don't think we're going to, end up there, but you never know. I think we'll end up a little green, but not strong green. So you'll still kind of expect the highs to be tested if that's the case, but you never know into next week. We'll see how things open. For now, though, like I said, inside bar to the downside a little bit, but we've made our two pushes down. And if we can't really come down and make a third push down and we get a reversal to the upside, I think those calls could be a nice base hit gain into the afternoon. Looking to hit these stops right here. Anyone who's short, probably is trailing their stops right up here, so that could be an area to take out. So I just want to see this 15-minute chart now. If it continues lower, not going to do anything, and we'll see how that weekly chart closes. But if it kind of holds in here and gives me a reversal to the upside, I will buy calls on Friday. So I just wanted to point out what I'm monitoring for as the week comes to an end.